Hey, you're the creative video editor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily make a GIF out of a video. Import the video you want to make a GIF with and then drag it onto the timeline. Hit the play button to preview it. And then go to text, drag a text preset above the video track. Reposition the text to the side of the video and then edit it on the top right panel. Back to the timeline, adjust the length of the text to make it cover the whole length of the video. And then click Export, go to Web and select GIF. Click Export again so that you can save the video as a GIF picture. And that's how you can make a GIF from a video. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.